Hi, I'm Johnny. You're watching A View to a Grill, and today it's beer can chicken. The chicken's been marinating for about 4 hours now. Let's get it on. Alright, so I think the temperature is going to hold steady at about 375. Chicken's on. So in about maybe 45 minutes to an hour, I'm going to come out. I'll probe them with my grill eye internal temperature thermometer, and we're going to turn them around. It's been about 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, that's looking pretty good. So what we're going to do is turn the chicken around, and I'm going to go ahead and just maybe tint the tops a little bit. We're going to go ahead and probe the chicken. We're just going to do the chicken breast. So we rotated the chicken, and according to my grill eye, the breast in one is about 167 and the other one is at 162. I am going to double check using my instant read thermometer. Okay, so I double checked each, and it looks like the instant read thermometer, one was reading 158 and the other one was reading 153 for the breasts, and both were reading about 152 for the dark meat. So to be on the safe side, we're going to go by this. Probably going to give them another 10 minutes. And since I don't like the reading that the grill eye was giving me, I'm taking those probes out. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's check it out again. Okay, thighs are reading about 170. Breast about 172. Let's get them off. Looking good. Okay, we're gonna give these about 10 minutes to rest. While it's still hot, I'm gonna kind of twist them off the can a little bit, and then we're gonna put them on the platter and cut it up. All right, quickly, let's see what we got here. Juicy. Moist. Juicy and tender. Delicious. I'll see you next time on A View to a Grill.